From July 1st to 18, 2025, students from various colleges, St. Edmund's College, Synod College, Lady Keane College and Shillong College participated in the Student Internship Programme 2025 at Shillong Science Centre, organized by the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya. Chief Guest Professor S. Umdor, Vice Chancellor of NEHU, encouraged interns to contribute to Meghalaya's scientific growth.
This will give you an opportunity to test what you have learned in your major paper by going out to the field and actually, working with organizations like the SCSTE.
The SCSTE team introduced key programs, popularization of science program, scientific research and development of appropriate technology, GIS application, Patent Information Center, EIACP Center, Sri Twinkle Kharbuli brief about the Innovation Hub. In the days that followed, interns immersed themselves in interactive capacity building sessions from intellectual property right and technical writing to geospatial technology, artificial intelligence and IoT, and mathematical toolkits. From day 6 onwards, learning went beyond the classroom. Interns stepped into the field, applying their knowledge, conducting surveys, engaging with communities, and understanding how science meets society. The internship concluded on July 18 with interns presenting their findings and reflections. The Student Internship Programme 2025 leave behind a journey of growth, discovery, and learning.